Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever found your skin looking a bit dull, dry, or just needing that extra boost of hydration? Well, today's review might just be the solution. Let's talk about the Lune+Aster 5-Minute Rescue Mask, a deeply hydrating sheet mask that promises to leave your skin refreshed and renewed in just 5 to 10 minutes. But does it really live up to that promise? Let's find out. The Lune+Aster 5-Minute Rescue Mask is designed to hydrate and revitalize dry skin with a formula packed with powerhouse ingredients like hyaluronic acid, coconut oil, avocado oil, and argan oil. These ingredients are known for their deep moisturizing and nourishing properties, making this mask ideal for those moments when your skin needs a quick pick-me-up. Whether you're on a long flight, having a girls' weekend, or simply enjoying a self-care night at home, this mask is here to help. It's made with 100% biodegradable coconut fiber, which gives it an edge over traditional cotton sheet masks. The coconut fibers conform to the shape of your face for better absorption, locking in moisture for maximum hydration. Plus, it's naturally cooling, which makes it feel super refreshing on the skin. Now let's dive into my experience with this mask. First off, the application is super easy. The mask itself is generously soaked in product, so you don't have to worry about it drying out during use. The texture of the mask is soft and comfortable, and once I applied it, the cooling sensation kicked in almost immediately. Perfect for soothing, tired, or stressed skin. I left it on for about 10 minutes, and by the time I removed it, my skin felt noticeably hydrated and plump without any sticky residue. As for the ingredients, the combination of hyaluronic acid and nourishing oils worked wonders on my dry skin. My complexion looked refreshed, smooth, and glowing. The best part? It didn't cause any irritation or breakouts, which is always a win when you're trying out a new skincare product. Let's talk pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the mask is made with clean, non-toxic ingredients, and it's vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free, which is a huge plus for anyone who prioritizes ethical beauty products. The biodegradable coconut fiber is a nice touch, offering a more eco-friendly option. The cooling sensation is refreshing, and the mask is easy to apply and remove. On the flip side, the price point might be a little higher than your average sheet mask. But when you consider the high-quality ingredients and the eco-friendly materials, I think it's justified. Plus, the convenience of a quick, effective mask for dry skin is hard to beat. When it comes to value for money, I'd say it's pretty good. While it's not the cheapest option out there, the quality and performance are definitely on par with what you'd expect from a higher-end mask. If you're someone who loves luxury self-care or needs an instant boost for dehydrated skin, this could be a worthy investment. There are other hydrating masks out there, but few combine the eco-friendly coconut fiber and potent hydrating ingredients like this one. If you're looking for a similar experience, but at a more budget-friendly price, there are plenty of alternatives that provide great hydration. But keep in mind that they might not offer the same eco-conscious benefits. In terms of build quality, the mask is soft and fits comfortably on the face. I noticed that the coconut fiber really does mold to the contours of the face, helping the product absorb more effectively. The packaging is simple, but it does the job. I've used this mask several times now, and I'm confident it'll last as long as it stays sealed. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it out, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, I've had no issues with Lune+Aster, and from what I've heard, they're known for providing great service to their customers. I didn't have to reach out for any issues, but if you do, I'm confident they'll take care of it. This mask is a great option if you're looking to pamper your skin with something that works quickly and effectively. The ingredients are top-notch, and it delivers on its promises. Whether you're prepping for a special night out or just need a little extra hydration, the Lune+Aster 5-Minute Rescue Mask is a great addition to your skincare routine. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to purchase this mask can be found in the comments or description box. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.